Hi,
Hi
how are
Pooja,
you?
how are you doing?
Good, very good. How about you?
I am just like chal rahi hai life. It's like a lot of work, working from home, completely digital, so you cannot like escape. It's like that for us.
Yeah. It's mad. But it's good in a way, I guess, being home for a change.
The good thing is that you're getting to spend time with your family members. I
Yeah.
feel that is something which is very good. And I'm pretty sure that after this quarantine phase is over, people will miss this phase. Right now, we are cribbing a lot about it, like, kab khatam hoga. But the moment it goes, people will be lazy to go back to work and they'll be like, acha, kyun khatam ho gaya actually?
I know, I think वही होने वाला. I think that's just how we are as human beings. I think when work is happening, we are like, I wish Sunday, हर रोज Sunday होता था, and then once it's actually, what they hoped for, then we want to go
Yeah,
back to work.
I agree with you. But Pooja, tell me, how is your quarantine phase going for you? How many days for you though?
It's been a month, exactly a month today, because I was in Georgia shooting for the Prabhas film on the 18th,
Wow.
and today is the 18th again, so it's been a month of quarantine for me.
And how was it like shooting with Prabhas? Because by that time, I think already the coronavirus had spread, in certain areas, not everywhere. We didn't have a lockdown, and I believe you guys were shooting but taking proper precautions while shooting as well. So how was it
Yeah, so
shooting with?
actually, I was not there for very long. I was there for 3 days, and the team was there for longer. They had gone, I think, just when, or just when this coronavirus thing had started.
Okay.
So, uh, yeah, we kind of like took all the precautions we could. We were sanitizing so much during the shoot, after every shot and after every moment. And eventually we decided to come back, cut short our schedule, and I was there only for 3 days, and then we were back.
Wow, that's actually nice. So how was the shooting over there though? And you're working with Prabhas. Tell me about your experience of working with, the Bahubali of India.
Yeah, it was good actually. That's what I'm saying. I wish the shoot was longer. I wish we could have shot longer. But I only shot 3 days, and it was supposed to be a very long schedule actually. So I'm just. It's been a lot of fun. Pravas is someone, he loves to feed. And I am a total foodie, so I think it's
Doesn't
good
look like.
when when your co-star is someone who loves to feed.
Yeah.
It's like a added benefit, I would say.
And also, okay, there was something like just hang for some time. But also, Pooja, even in Bollywood, you have done a lot of good projects. But down south, you are very popular, and the kind of projects you have done is amazing, brilliant for sure. And how is
Yeah.
it like working in south for you? Like, do you know any of these languages fluently? Can you speak any of these south languages?
Yeah, actually, so when I started, uh, it was like, so I am a South Indian and people mix things up, but I am Mangalorean and we speak Tulu. And what I am shooting and doing films is in Telugu. And people think that, oh, one South Indian language is the same as all of them, but it's really not. They're very, very different from each
Okay.
other. And Tulu and Telugu are very, very different. So when I went, I mean, it was like a total foreign language for me, but slowly now I can speak Telugu. Uh, I've learned to speak. I try to speak as much with my staff, because they are from there. And I just think that, it's good to learn the language in a place that you've been accepted so much. Uh,
Yeah.
and now I dub my own films in Telugu. Um, so it's like it's good. It's different. I think now even if you give me like 10 lines in Chinese and tell me to memorize it and say it with emotions, I'll be able to do it.
Oh wow, that's nice. But if you can say something in Telugu for all your fans out there. Something like,
Uh,
on the lines of, staying safe at home during this coronavirus, quarantine phase, something on those lines.
oh my God, that's very complicated. But I will just say, Ella Naru. I hope Miru intlo kurchuntunnaru. I'm trying.
What this means?
Uh,
Can you explain?
Sorry.
What it means? Can you explain? Because
So
I have
Ella
to
Naru
confirm
is
it.
like, how are you?
Okay.
And I'm saying that I hope intlo means home, and Kurchuntunnaru is like, I hope you're staying at home. So that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
That's actually very nice. Like, the way you said it, like, sounded like very, very cute, for sure. But Pooja, you're also working with Salman Khan. Tell me something about
Yeah.
that. How excited are you to work with him? Of course, like, you have met him and you have had interactions with him. Tell me how it is, like,
I
exciting for you to work with him.
I am very excited about it. I mean, just waiting for it to start. I'm just like, कि ये corona virus कब खत्म होगा, कब contain होगा, and then just like get to it, because now I think all the schedules will be a little different now, but just super excited in general.
Yeah. So, have you met when you met him personally when you were offered the role, in Kabhi Diwali? What was your, expression, and how did you feel about it when you were actually approached for the role, that you have been locked for such a big project, and of course, like Sajid Nadyar, you're working with him again? Tell me about
I
it.
mean, I was super excited. I always say that I think the biggest compliment that you can get as an actor is when your producers, your actors, or your directors want to work with you again. Uh, because it means that they have liked your work, and that they are willing to put money where their mouth is, because that's something that people sometimes just say it for the sake of saying it.
Yeah.
And I am really grateful that Nadia sir, has given me this opportunity, because, of course, we work together in Houseful, and it means a lot, from Houseful to do a film that is, such a big film. I mean, I'm really, really grateful, I would say.
That's nice, actually. And like, when you actually realize, like, the film is now going to be getting postponed, I'm sure you might be heartbroken for sure. Did you have any other films
Actually,
on?
I'm not so sure. Is it? I'm really not sure
No,
about
no,
it.
no, the shooting and all, of course, because the moment, if this because this quarantine phase might also be, like, extended. There are high possibility of it getting extended from 3rd May also. So I'm
Yeah,
sure,
I
like,
mean, I don't know. I really don't know. I think for me, I'm living, as the everyday kind of a thing, because, when you're a workaholic and you want to work every day, and then if you
yeah.
think about it and you're like, shit, or 15 din hai, quarantine ke, and so I don't even want to think about extensions. I'm just like, for right now, I'm just like, आज क्या कर सकते? What can we do today?
Yeah. True.
And that's really how I've been living this quarantine. Because if you start to plan, then I think I would get really anxious. So I'm just sticking to planning and living by the day for now. And I hope that they are able to contain this virus soon.
True. So, which all films of yours have been put on hold, following this current phase which we are in?
All films in film history in India is put on hold.
Yeah, but, like, which all projects you were
But
working
all
on?
the films that I'm doing right now, I'm doing the Prabhas film, which is untitled right now. I am doing Most Eligible Bachelor, which is with Akhil Akineni. That's a romantic comedy. Uh, I am doing, and yes, Kabhi Eid, which, whenever they announce, whenever we are shooting, that's the other film that I'm doing. Yeah, I'm normally used to having 4 films that I'm shooting simultaneously. So now I'm actually thinking, what are the films that I have left? Because I've shot so many already.
Oh, goodness. Wow. But like Pooja, if you have to like there is no comparison, of course, because South cinema completely works very differently, and Bollywood also works very differently. But like if you have to like share your experience of working down south, because we come from more of knowing more about Bollywood and how it works over there. Can you share something of your experience of working in South cinema?
I mean, it's roughly the same, you know. It almost depends on the directors. What I've learned, because people say that South is very organized and stuff, but I've worked with directors in South who are organized, and I've worked with directors who aren't organized. But I think that we in Telugu we churn out more films in a year than in Hindi. And I think that's because of the work ethic in terms of we start our day very early. Like for me, my normal call time is 7 o'clock, in the morning. Whereas in Bollywood, in Hindi, I think we would start at around 9. So we have a more like 6 kind of schedule, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. kind of schedule down south. And speed of working is super fast, I think.
Also, Pooja, I believe you baked a cake for your dad.
Yeah, yesterday.
And today I baked a cake, so it's quite a.
Oh really? How did it turn out?
It's turned out very good. I'll send a picture to you for sure.
Yeah, please do.
I'm actually waiting for the live, like to finish, and in the evening I'll eat it. Like I've just kept it in the fridge so that I can just relish it. And I've made a Cadbury cake, so.
Oh yum! How did you do that? Okay, you have to send me the recipe. Yeah.
I will share for sure.
Yeah, in fact, yesterday then I was really craving for, vanilla ice cream, because sometimes with like a really fudgy chocolate cake, like vanilla ice cream you need. So I was craving for it so much, but couldn't find it anywhere. But yeah, I think because it's hard to get a cake right now, and it was his birthday. He turned 59 last year. Last night, yesterday. So we decided, like, let's bake a cake for a change. And now that we have all the time in the world, huh?
How did it turn out?
It was good. It was very good. I think I left it on a little. I left it in a little too long.
Okay. Yeah, that happened. So that happened with me also. It became like fluffy.
Yeah, because I was like, nahi, thoda aur karke. So the outside were like crispy, but the inside. So it was nice. It was really good, yeah. I'm just gonna read a couple of comments because a lot of people are commenting, and Sandhya Valmiki has said that her mom is a very big fan of mine. So hi to your mom, and tell her a big thank you. That's really sweet. What else? Everyone just saying hi and sending hearts. So hi and love you.
They will also ask you to call their names actually, because that is one thing they really like. If they're actors, staff, you call their name.
I know this always happens, whenever I do a live, people just say hi, and I'm like, okay, ask me some questions. I mean, this is good because at least you're here and you're asking me something. But when you do a live on your own,
sometimes you comment like, if you guys want to chat, please go on your WhatsApp call now. Why you want to chat over here? I'm like, I'm trying to do a video interview. It's an interview. It's not a chat.
Yeah, I know. I mean, what else? We're just trying to entertain. The way I see it is that we're just trying to entertain people. And for me also, I like that I'm able to connect with different kinds of people. And, different fan base, I would say. But yeah, I'm an entertainer. That's what I do. So I'm here to entertain.
Pooja, your role in Houseful, was of course very good. Hello?
Yeah.
So, how was your experience of working on a project like this? Because there's a series of it, and people love watching Houseful, and Houseful 4, of course, very good, of course, and we really loved it because we just love Houseful series for sure. How was your experience of working on this project with Akshay Kumar, Ritesh, Bobby Deol?
Yeah, it is. As for for someone who's so new in this industry, and I feel like I'm a baby in this industry, because I'm doing a film like Houseful, which is comedy and like slapstick comedy, and then to do it with like the king of comedy, because I think Akshay Kumar is so good at comedy. Like that's, one of his strengths. And not many people can do comedy. It's very hard, and especially with slapstick comedy, if you go little a little over, you have to walk that line, because if you go a little over, you can be irritating.
Yeah.
And both Akshay sir and Ritesh are so good at it. Like even Ritesh is phenomenal at, like, their comic and comic timing, and they're just, so for me to be on that set,
Yeah.
as I was like a student, and like a sponge, just absorbing as much as I can. And it turned out really well, and I'm happy. And I think I it was amazing that in the present life I was Akshay sir's girlfriend, because I could like learn a little bit from him. And in the past I was like with Ritesh, who is another comedy
Yeah,
genius.
that's true.
So it was like, for me, it was like a really good learning experience.
Pooja, we also believe you're going to work with Surya in a movie. Is that true? Because there have been reports about it. Surya, actor Surya.
No, nothing as of now, but I mean, I hope something happens. Let's see.
Are you reading on scripts, during this quarantine phase, and like, seeing which roles might, you might like to work on?
No, I mean, I had a couple of narrations before this quarantine period was supposed to start, or rather
Yeah.
before it started, but nothing really, because of this whole thing that got pushed. But
Yeah.
hopefully now, once this quarantine's over and done with, I can continue with my narrations.
Pooja, who's been your favorite actor down south?
There's so many. There's Kamal Hassan sir. There's Nagarjuna sir. I think he's so good at romance. Um, I think Surya is a very good actor. Uh, Dulkar is very good. Yeah, it's a mix. Like, yeah.
Pooja, do you like seeing Bollywood films being, like for example, like South films being remade in actually Bollywood? Do you like seeing such movies? Like for example, Kabir Singh was a super duper hit. Reddy was a super duper hit, like that. So do you like when South films are actually being remade in Bollywood? And do you like to like watch these movies like Bhul Bhulaiya also for that matter?
Of course. I mean, I love watching. I mean, I feel like sorry. I feel like people should watch films, and if they feel like language is something that's a barrier for them, and they'd like to see it made in their own language, I think go for it, because good content is everything. I think some of the best Hindi films are remakes.
Yeah.
And why not, if you can do it better, if yeah, I think it's also a very good compliment. Like if one of my films were being remade in Hindi, I think it's a very big compliment, because that means the film was so good for for people to want to buy it and make it again.
Yeah.
Having said that, I also feel that there's a certain responsibility when you um are taking someone else's work, and if you can't better it, then I guess it's better to leave it alone, because sometimes with classics I just feel like they should not be touched.
Yeah. But if any of these movies, like you would prefer to be remade, in Bollywood, some any of your films, or maybe any of the South films, which you personally feel like ye Bollywood mein banna chahiye, and like this should have a huge cast and all in the movie. Any of the films.
I think my film Valmiki would be a very good remake. It was actually a remake of a Tamil film called Jigar Thanda.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that would be a very good remake in Hindi.
Pooja, also you are leading the list when it comes to being the top actress in Tollywood. How does that feel?
Wow, that feels good. I think you should keep saying it. Keep saying it. I want to say that, but I think more than anything,
Uh,
I just feel that it's a privilege and I just want to make more good films.
Yeah. Pooja, what kind of genre attracts you? What kind of genre you would like to be a part of, or and do kind of projects which you like, which drives your attention?
See, I love romantic comedies, like rom-coms. I love to watch romantic comedies. So I think that if I had to act in one, I would definitely love it, because that, slice of life, happy space of a film, with a little bit to learn, like something like even a Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is something that is like goals. So yeah, I think that kind of a genre.
Wow. And in Bollywood, who's been your favorite director for that matter? Like, if any director you would like to work with, and whose craft you have liked?
There's so many. I mean, I think Sanjay Leela Bhansali is, someone that
That's true.
is on my list of directors that I want to work with.
I hope you get to
I
work with him.
Sorry.
I hope you get to work with him very soon.
I know. I hope so too. Yeah. Let's hope. Let's hope soon. Yeah.
Yeah. And apart from that, which Bollywood actor is your favorite?
Um. I think Amitabh Bachchan. I think that's he's someone who for me is very iconic, and I hope that I get to do a film with him soon. And it's,
Sure.
as an actor on your list, there are a couple of names that are always there, and I hope I get to work with Amit sir sometime.
I'm sure. But Pooja, somewhere have you felt this, or have you been through this when you have come from South to Bollywood? You have found it difficult to, have your own stand in Bollywood, to get projects, to get films and all. Even after, being very popular, in South, because I have seen a lot of actors, from South being very famous have, spoken about it, finding it difficult to, find that balance, while working in Bollywood. Has that happened to you also in initial days?
Um, so the thing is that when I started doing Telugu, I got
Hmm.
my first Telugu film and I got my Hindi film simultaneously.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So for me, Mohenjo-daro and Telugu happened simultaneously. Now, Mohenjo-daro didn't really work, but it was a very big platform for me. And after that, I did get a lot of offers, but I've always been someone who's very picky with my work. Like, I would rather not do anything bad, than do. I mean, like, I would rather wait for a good film and something that I feel like, okay, yeah, this I should do, you know. Because with, like, even with Houseful 4, finally I selected it because, of course, it was half Akshay, so, and it kind of showcased another side of me also, in terms of, like, there was this Western girl, and there was, I got to play a Rajkumari princess kind of a thing. It was a genre I hadn't done. It was such an amazing and big banner. So I weighed my options and I eventually did the film. Meanwhile, it so happened that I got really big in South really fast. So
Yeah.
I have been very picky. And I think that now I just feel like, when you're good, people will come to you and they will offer you films. I feel like Bollywood is watching a lot of South films, and they are watching your work. I mean, at the end of the day, today I do have a Kabir Zawali with me. I think, yes, my struggles are very different, but they are different for a whole other set of reasons, not because of this, I would say.
And Pooja also, like I believe you have never got trolled as such, like on social media. But what you have to say about online trolls, because that keeps on happening, and celebs often get targeted. Like be it South actors, be it Bollywood actors, they get trolled very often. What are
Yeah.
your thoughts on this?
I just feel like if people will say whatever they have to say, you have to just take everything with a pinch of salt. Like, honestly, maybe sometimes it bothers me for like 3 minutes and then I'm just done with it. I think because you are relevant enough, people want to talk about you. So I just look at it in a positive way, and and laugh it off. You know, I love it when people make memes,
Yeah.
even if it includes me. I'm okay with it. I think you just have to take everything, you know, for whatever it is, and be happy-go-lucky and spread positivity.
That's true. But
It's part of
are
the
you?
job, you know. That's all I'm saying. It's just you gotta have
But
a thick
also,
skin.
that's true. That's true. But sometimes they actually go like to different tangent also. Sometimes they go too personal that it might affect to certain people, and it's not that easy also.
Yeah.
Especially sometimes people are going through hardships and all, and poking fun at their struggles and all. I feel that is not cool at all. But people,
You know,
there
I
are
think
some
it's
villas
like
and all.
it's social media gives them like this. Uh, I would say this extra false sense of security in terms of, you know, you're sitting behind a computer, your phone, and people, you're not really like in face to face with these people, and half of these people wouldn't have the guts to tell you something like that on their own face, you know. But I feel like sometimes they do it because it makes them feel better about themselves,
Yeah.
and it's just sad, I guess. And I mean, yes, the it's one thing to say कि लोगों को करना नहीं चाहिए, but I think that's not really in my hand. So what I choose to do is that use social media as a positive thing. Like you'll always see me happy, laughing, smiling on Instagram because you know that's what I want to put out there.
Okay. Okay. I think it's hanged a bit. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. Also, last few questions to you, Pooja. After this quarantine phase, what are your plans? What do you want to get completely busy with?
Shoot.
Shoot.
I
Yeah.
can't wait to get back to shoot. I think that's gonna be my number one on my list and release the films that I've been shooting.
Pooja, also yesterday, former Karnataka CM, he got his son married in a private ceremony. But of course, there was trolling happening, and even Ravina Tandon took to her Twitter to talk about it. Like during this phase, people should avoid gathering together. What are your thoughts on this? Because somewhere even we agree that it's not right to gather people when, especially when we have been told to social distance, and for a reason we are staying at home. So, what are your thoughts
Yeah.
on this?
I mean, I'm sorry, I'm not aware about this, but I mean, I just know what my Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has said that
Yeah.
it's good to stay home right now. It's good to be safe. I can't comment on the incident because I really don't know much about it to be able to say, to take a stand on it. But right now, the need of the hour is to practice social distancing. And I know that it's going to come in the way of a lot of things that you had planned originally. But you know, right now is the time for your own benefit. You have to just stay safe and stay at home. It's not something that's a very complicated instruction that's been given by our prime minister. It's a very very simple instruction, and I hope people follow that, and if you feel like, oh God, मैंने ये नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया. It's very normal, but just the whole world is going through it right now. So plans are gonna have to change. You're gonna have to sit at home right now.
Also, Pooja, we believe you are cooking a lot of food at home, be it pizza, be it cake, be it halwa. I think you're enjoying the quarantine phase when it comes to food for sure. Are you a foodie personally, and which is your favorite food dish which you like to eat, you relish like out?
Food in general is my favorite. Like I
Okay.
love to eat.
But
I
something you can
used to
just like
eat.
not avoid eating, even if you're on a diet, like if you have to follow a diet for your films and all, and something which you just cannot avoid eating.
The only thing that I mean, actually, what I can't avoid is chocolates. I love eating chocolates. So that's something that I can't. So sweets is something that I love.
Is that milk
And
chocolate
yeah,
or like dark chocolate?
dark,
Dark chocolate, yeah.
dark. I love dark chocolate. But yeah, right now I have cake in the fridge, which is yum. So I'm gonna dig into that. But yeah, the only reason I work out is so that I can eat. And whenever I feel like I make something for myself, trying to experiment. And like I said, we have so much time on hand now to do all of this.
Yeah. So personally, also like, do you indulge in cooking food, or is it only the quarantine phase which is working for you somewhere?
It's the quarantine.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I don't. I like cooking when it's just like a fun thing. I'm not so much like cooking every day kind of person. But right now I'm enjoying it, and researching and seeing, looking up new recipes and new things to make.
Pooja, if you had to do a biopic on, any personality, who would that be?
Mm, I think Gayatri Devi,
That's a very strong role.
because
That's
I
a very
think she's a
strong
very
role.
mysterious but strong character,
Very
and
strong
she always
character.
has like this dignity about herself. So I think I would love to play her.
Yeah.
This,
And
always it's a very like she had this aura around her. So yeah, I'd love to play her.
and which of the in 2019, which of these South films which you have personally liked? You have like literally felt like it's a very good movie and one should actually, like, you would recommend people to watch that movie. Which movie would that be?
I would recommend people to watch Jigar Thanda, which is the film that I, did a remake of. It's called Valmiki. I mean, Gaddala Konda Ganesh. So that is something that I thought was like a wow film, and I wanted to do my little part in it because I thought the film was brilliant. So yeah, Jigar
And
Thanda.
since the last question to
And
you, since
Ala Vaikuntapuramlo, which is my film, which is on Netflix, guys, with
wow,
subtitles. So catch it on Netflix.
I'm sure I
It's
have to
got
see this.
English subtitles, so in case you don't know about it, you
I
can
have to
watch
just
it
check
there.
the name with you again, and I am sure I'm going to watch it because I'm actually wanting to see a lot of good movies, and I keep on
You
seeing
should.
nothing.
It's called Ala Vaikuntapuramlo. It's on Netflix. It's a fun film. So if you want to like, make some popcorn and take your cake that you baked, just sit
Yeah.
and you can just have a great laugh and like enjoy the film.
I'm sure. And the last question to you, Pooja, because you're glowing a lot during this quarantine phase. So we need some beauty tips from you, which you're following, which we all can follow, and we can also have some glow. Not like you, but like kuch to thoda.
You know what the glow is? It's called carbs.
Okay.
I have been eating so much cheese and so much
Wow.
chocolate that it's just showing on my face now. It's like I've become,
Yeah.
a symbol of like just eating carbs, doing this to you. Didn't you see my pizza? It was like topped with cheese on it. But
Those yum.
this yum,
Sure.
and I wanted to, make those pizzas that I used to eat as a child.
Huh.
Which my mom used to make, like with like tomato sauce and corn and mushrooms and capsicum, onions, cheese, those very typical Shiv Sagar kind of pizza.
Yeah.
So it was yum. It was like
Indian style
so that's
pizza.
sorry,
And I'm the Indian
Indian.
style
Yeah, yeah,
pizza.
the Indian,
And
Indian
I'm
pizza.
making the
Yeah.
same tomorrow now. So thanks to you, like, I'm going to like again just see what all you have done, and I'm going to make like that. I might try and copy.
Amazing. Yeah, I want to do it again soon because I really loved it. So I'm gonna
Next
make
time,
it
I
again.
would want you to share such recipes and like make videos out of it when you're cooking, because we would like to see the chef in you.
Yeah, actually,
What
maybe I'll
goes
make a
behind
pizza video
cooking?
next time.
Okay, then definitely like we have a lot to learn from you during this quarantine phase, because I'm sure like we all want to learn that. We all are actually
Done,
hooked
done.
on to cooking, if you know.
I will share it with E-Times for you.
Yay! Thank you so much, Pooja, for your time, and all the best for all your projects. And thank you for
Thank
talking
you.
such good dishes.
Thank
And I'm tempting actually, but thank you so much for your time.
Thank
Goodbye.
you. See you. Bye
See
bye.
you soon. Take care.
Yes, done.